Hello, I'm back.
Please subscribe and click the notification bell.
Well, it's been a long time since I posted any videos, around 6 months, so I figured I'd go ahead and show you what I've been doing for the summer. Lots of fishing. Montana is a beautiful place to spend your summers, probably the best time of the year, except for all the wildfires we had this year. All this flight footage was done with my DJI FPV drone back in April. During the summer, I made a couple trips to California, and of course, working like a madman, putting in ditch lines, pumps, drilling wells. But during that time, I've also been out flying drones. In fact, I got into FPV drones, and I've been building my own. I'm a far cry from the best pilot out there, but I enjoy doing it, and I enjoy figuring out how to fix them. Needless to say, I'll have many upcoming videos of all my FPV flying and adventures. I'd like to thank everybody that continued to support my channel throughout the summer, and a special thanks to my wife for putting up with the expensive hobbies such as drones. Many videos soon to come, but until then, thanks to everybody, and have a happy Halloween.